Hello and welcome back. This next question is a little bit of a pickle, but a fun one nonetheless, and might take a little bit of explanation. So let's have a go. Okay, a newspaper is made from double sheets of paper, placed on top of each other and then folded down the middle. For example, on an 8-page newspaper, the outer sheet contains pages 1, 2, 7, and 8. Right, so what does that mean? If I was to draw the first sheet of paper, the fold down the middle, the very front has number 1, the inside has number 2, and then the opposite page to number 2 has number 7, and then the back of the newspaper has number 8. So that first sheet has pages 1, 2, the first 2, and the last 2, 7 and 8 on it. The next sheet has 3, 4, 5, and 6. So number 3, and then number 4, and then opposite number 4 on the fold, you're going to have number 5 and number 6. So that 8-page newspaper is made out of 2 sheets. Okay, so let's try to have a go at the first question here. In a 64-page newspaper, what other numbers are on the double sheet with 4 on it? Okay, so we always start with the first page. We'll have 1 and 2, and then the last 2 numbers on it, 64 and 63. The next sheet will carry on the sequence. Down the fold, you'll have 3 and 4, and then leading up to 63 and 64 is 61 and 62. So the other numbers with page 4, opposite it will be page 61, and then you'll also have 3 and 62. So that was a little bit to work out. Let's take it on one more step. The next question, in a 20-page newspaper, what other numbers are on the double sheet with 4 on it? Okay, so that might be different to the last question because there's only 20 pages here. We have the first 2 pages and the last 2 pages always on the first sheet, 1 and 2. So the next one will have to be 3 and 4. Then opposite page 4 will be 17 and 18. So you can see opposite the even number will be the odd number, and opposite the odd will be the even. Okay, and the last question is a little bit similar, but rather than working out what numbers are on the page, we're going to have to work out the total of all the pages in the newspaper. So the opposite. Okay, so we are told that pages 6 and 27 are opposite each other. So that will look a bit like this. There's the fold, 6 will be there, 27 will be there on that particular sheet. So what I need to do, I'm going to start from the beginning again with 1 and 2. I don't know what's opposite them. The next page, sheets will be 3 and 4, and then 6 will be after that. Okay, 5 and 6, and opposite 6 is 27. So on the other side of 5, you're going to have 28. So now we're going to work our way back up. Opposite 2 is 31, and opposite 1 on the very back of the newspaper is 32. So this newspaper has 32 pages. Okay, well done. Watch that again if you want to work out the sequence a little bit clearer. Otherwise, have a go at the questions below for more practice. Good luck.